How to take off "You're tapping too fast" on TikTok. To get started, you first need to open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to this home page, where you can view all the contents that are shared on TikTok. On this page, tap on Profile at the bottom right corner. Once you are in the Profile page, you need to tap on the three bars at the top right corner. Then you need to select the option Settings and Privacy from the menu. Once you are in this page, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Free Up Space. Once you are in, tap onto this Clear button to clear the cache. Then tap on Clear from the pop-up. Once you are done, go back. Once you reach your profile page, minimize the TikTok application. Then open Phone Settings. Now go to the option General. Once you are in, tap on iPhone Storage. After you are on this page, go to the TikTok application. Then tap onto this button Offload App. Proceed with your command by tapping on the option Offload App. Now minimize the Settings app and open the TikTok application. Again, tap on the three bars at the top right corner and go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Log Out. After logging back in, your issue should be solved. So by following these steps, you can take off "You're tapping too fast" on TikTok.